सप्तमः पाठः सेवेंथ लेसन। एकदा विश्वामित्रः अयोध्याम् अगच्छत् दशरथस्य किङ्करं च अवदत्। एकदा once विश्वामित्र अयोध्यां to अयोध्या अगच्छत् came दशरथस्य of Dasharatha किङ्करं servant च and अवदत् told. एकदा विश्वामित्रः अयोध्याम् अगच्छत् दशरथस्य किङ्करं च अवदत्. Once Vishwamitra came to Ayodhya and told the following to the servant of Dasharatha. Aham asmi munihi Vishwamitraha nama. Aham I asmi am munihi Vishwamitraha nama. By name sage Vishwamitra. Aham asmi munihi Vishwamitraha nama. I am sage Vishwamitra. Vane vasami. Vane in the forest. Vasami I reside. Here only the verb is indicated, vasami, but looking at the verb we can easily infer that the subject is aham. So here sage Vishwamitra is speaking, so he is introducing himself to the servant of Dasharatha. So he has told him that he is sage Vishwamitra, and now he is telling that I reside in the forest. Vane vasami means I reside in the forest. Adya vanat agataha asmi. Adya today, vanat from the forest. Agataha asmi came. So adya vanat agataha asmi. Today I have come from the forest. Rajanam Dasharatham cha drashtum ichchami. Rajanam Dasharatham, King Dasharatha, drashtum, to see, ichchami. Again, I wish. So ichchami is again only the verb is given here, but looking at ichchami, we can infer that the subject is aham. So he is telling the servant, I wish to see the king. So Rajanam Dasharatham cha drashtum ichchami. I wish to see King Dasharatha. Iti, thus. Thus spoke sage Vishwamitra to the servant of Dasharatha. Kinkaraha Rajanam agachat avadatcha. Kinkaraha, the servant, Rajanam agachat, Rajanam to the king, agachat, went, avadat, said, cha and. Kinkaraha Rajanam agachat avadatcha. The servant went to King Dasharatha and said the following. Deva Vishwamitraha nama kaschit vanavasi munihi dware tishtati. Deva. Deva is a respectful way of addressing the king. It is like, O Lord or O Majesty, Your Majesty. So Vishwamitraha nama, by name Vishwamitra, kaschit, some, vanavasi, resident of the forest, munihi, sage, dware, at the entrance, tishtati, stands or waits. So the servant is communicating this information to to King Dasharatha. He is telling him, "O Lord, or Your Majesty, a sage who resides in the forest by name Vishwamitra is waiting at the entrance or stands at the entrance." Devam cha drashtum ichchati. Devam. Here Devam refers to King Dasharatha. Drashtum is to see, ichchati, wishes. So Devam cha drashtum ichchati. So the servant is telling King Dasharatha that sage Vishwamitra wishes to see you, Your Majesty. That Devam is again Lord or Majesty. Shrutva Devaha Pramanam iti. Shrutva, having heard, Devaha Pramanam. Pramanam is authority. So it is like Your Majesty is the authority, something like that. Devaha Pramanam. So this is like the conclusion of the servant's address to Dasharatha. So at the end he says, Your Majesty is the authority. So Shrutva Devaha Pramanam iti. So he concludes his relay of information with this sentence. Shrutva Devaha Pramanam iti. So Your Majesty is the authority. Kinkarasya vachanena nrupaha santushtaha abhavat. Kinkarasya, of the servant, vachanena, by the words, Nrupaha, king, Santushtaha, happy, Abhavat, became. Kinkarasya vachanena Nrupaha Santushtaha Abhavat. By the words of the servant, the king became happy. Simhasanat cha utthaya Vishwamitram arghyena apujayat. Simhasanat, from the throne, cha, and utthaya, having gotten up, Vishwamitram, Vishwamitra, arghyena, apujayat. Apujayat means worshipped. Arghya is like the sacred water offering. So Vishwamitra is a Mahatma. So first he is offered water, uh, as part of the worship. So Arghyena includes by Arghya and other articles of worship. So Simhasana cha Utthaya Vishwamitram Arghyena Apujayat means King Dasharatha rose from his throne and he worshipped sage Vishwamitra with Arghya and other articles of worship. Tena Vishwamitraha Prasannaha Abhavat. Tena, because of this reason, Vishwamitraha, sage Vishwamitra, Prasannaha, pleased, Abhavat, became. Tena Vishwamitraha Prasannaha Abhavat. Because of this reason, Vishwamitra became very pleased. So let us now read this lesson once again. Saptamaha Pataha. Ekada Vishwamitraha Ayodhyam Agachat Dasharathasya Kinkaram cha Avadat. Aham asmi munihi Vishwamitraha nama vane vasami adya vanat agataha asmi rajanam dasharatham cha drashtumichhami iti. Kinkaraha rajanam agachat avadatcha devaha Vishwamitraha nama kaschit vanavasi munihi dware tishtati devam cha drashtumichhati. Shrutva devah pramanam iti. Kinkarasya vachanena nupah santushtaha abhavat. Simhasanat cha utthaya Vishwamitram arghyena apujayat. Tena Vishwamitraha prasannaha abhavat.